हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। विशाल गुप्ता आपका टीचर। कैसे हो आप सब स्टूडेंट्स? इस वीडियो में मैं आपको क्लास 10 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश की जो बुक है फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट का चैप्टर नंबर 2 द थीव्स स्टोरी रस्किन बॉन्ड द्वारा लिखी हुई उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कराने जा रहा हूँ जो एनसीईआरटी में है। राइट स्टूडेंट्स, तो चलिए बात करते हैं। सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन, हु डज आई रेफर टू इन दिस स्टोरी? स्टूडेंट्स, आई रेफर टू हरी सिंह, the narrator of the story, who is a 15-year-old experienced thief। ठीक है जी, चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ। What is he a fairly successful hand at? मतलब वो क्या था? एक fairly successful hand। आंसर है he is a fairly successful hand at stealing। वो चोरी करने में माहिर था। He is an experienced thief. He is so clean and swift in his work that he robs people without being caught। वो बिना पकड़े गए लोगों को आराम से चोरी कर लेता था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? In return of Hari Singh's work, Anil gives him food and a place to live in। Question number 4, how does the thief think Anil will react to this theft? Answer, according to Hari, Anil would be sad not because of the loss of money but because of the loss of trust he had in Hari। Right students? Okay, चलिए अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 की तरफ। What does he say about the different reactions of the people when they are robbed? Hari's experience at theft had made him aware of the differences in the reactions of the people when they are robbed। According to him, a greedy man shows fear, the rich anger and a poor man acceptance। राइट जी, चलो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 की तरफ। Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Yes, Anil realized that he has been robbed as he gave a 50 rupees note to Hari which was still damp due to night's rain। ओके, चलिए अब स्टूडेंट्स हम बात करते हैं जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इस चैप्टर की बैक एक्सरसाइज में थिंक अबाउट इट वाले। वो क्वेश्चंस 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये देखिए इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, What are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Hint, compare for example the thought, I know that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve, with these latter thoughts whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees। It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just a simple to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man was something else। What makes him return to Anil? ये क्वेश्चन है, उसका आंसर मैं अभी आपको लिखाने जा रहा हूँ, आप नोट करिए। Hari was very happy and grateful when he learned to write his name। He was very excited when Anil promised to teach him to write whole sentences as well। He knew that being an educated man will add to his abilities and could achieve anything। But when he left Anil's house, he realized that the stealing was simply a crime and to indulge himself, but being educated was an entirely different thing। He knew the respect, reputation and possibility that would come to him once he was educated, and his urge to receive education compelled him to return to Anil। ओके जी, चलिए नेक्स्ट हम बढ़ते हैं इसी के ही सेकंड क्वेश्चन की तरफ। ये तो आंसर लिखा है, मैं आपको क्वेश्चन एक बार पढ़ देता हूँ बुक से। क्वेश्चन है बच्चों, why does not Anil hand the thieves over to police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employees? तो स्टूडेंट्स उसमें क्या आएगा आंसर? Unlike others, Anil doesn't hand over Hari to the police on theft charges as he knew that the theft, but he didn't thrash him, even mentioned it in front of Hari। He was glad that Hari had realized his mistake and the importance of education in life. And Anil wanted to Hari to become a literate man and lead a respectful life. He is different from other such employers because he is a very understanding. Hari's return gave him a hope of change in him. Right students? चलिए इसी के साथ ये क्वेश्चंस इस चैप्टर के कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप ये आपको अपने नोट्स बनाने में और रिवीजन करने में बहुत ईजी रहेगा. नेक्स्ट है द मिडनाइट विजिटर. इसके क्वेश्चंस हम करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियोस देख के अपना कोर्स कंप्लीट करते रहिए. विशिंग यू गुड लक.